Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to upload status with music in WhatsApp status. So there are two options to do that. So the first one is to go to updates and then simply tap on this pen icon next to the camera icon and then simply tap on the recording button. As you can see here, you have this microphone icon. Simply tap and hold in order to record your music, and this is one way. And another one is to simply download the music video on your phone and then simply go on and tap on the camera icon and then simply tap on this gallery button on the left side and then simply select the music video, and then you'll be able to add that music video to your status on WhatsApp, and basically that's how you can do it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.